The shocking killing of a young braveheart who fought molesters in Howrah has now become a political tool, with opposition parties using the issue to target the TMC government. While political parties continue to bicker, the braveheart's family still awaits justice.
Beaten mercilessly to death by a group of evildoers only because this brave man, Arup Bhandari, objected to their shameful act. While his family grieves his loss and awaits justice, his brutal death has now turned into a political issue in Mamata's land, with the opposition targeting the TMC administration.
Ugly politics brewing over the unfortunate demise of Howrah's braveheart, with Trinamool Congress claiming Arup Bhandari as one of their party workers. The family is demanding justice, which seems elusive at the moment, with no arrest as yet. Opposition has demanded action against police inaction, with both left and Congress calling for Howrah Bandh.
Upright, if you want justice, or you are standing against the goons, you have to be punished by the either police or by the Trinamool goons or the Trinamool leaders in itself.
Total anarchy, it is an outrageous act, and now at the behest of ruling party, the police is trying to dilute the case.
Almost a week since the incident and only an FIR has been filed, the drunken brutes behind this merciless act are still at large. And the big question, will this braveheart's sacrifice be overshadowed by the political bickering in the state? Bureau Report, Times Now.